That's what happened to the owners of our next long-listed house. Natasha has come to the spectacular landscape of West Stirlingshire in Scotland. This is Ostro Passivhaus, a beautiful box of a building, all perfectly crisp geometric angles clad in impossibly neat diagonal strips of larch, with an interior that's just as uncompromising. It's an airtight, super low energy home, super tricky to build. All the more remarkable that it was crafted by its owners, Vari, an architect, and Martin, a designer, in their spare time. This box-like house is arranged around another box. It conceals the staircase and all the services for the house. Behind it, on the ground floor, is a guest bedroom and bathroom, while an open-plan kitchen, dining and living area wraps around the front. Upstairs, there's a generous ensuite main bedroom, second guest bedroom, and a home office.
Hi Martin, hi Barry.
It's lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too. Your house is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Every inch of it was handmade by Martin and Vari, working to a challenging budget.
We started the job with about 180,000. That's why we did a lot of sort of self-built things ourselves, like the cladding we chose to do ourselves because that was probably going to blow the budget if we got anyone to do that for us.
The cladding is so precise. I mean, that must have taken you ages.
So we did 5,500 metres of cladding.
Worth every arduous minute, I'd say. The interior open-plan kitchen, living room and TV area is the result of just as much blood, sweat and tears.
It's really dramatic.
Thanks.
Thank you.
On top of completely designing the whole thing themselves. There are smart solutions to problems everywhere. To define spaces in this double-height open-plan room, they've positioned some under lower ceilings for intimacy. The RIBA judges admired the clever layout and the eye-catching object in the centre of the room, the core. It serves another function too in this minimal house. There are hiding places for everything here. Bookcases to keep small animals on, cupboards to store gin. And Vari and Martin have taken just as much care over the bits of the house you can't see. They set themselves the difficult task of making this place a super-insulated, totally airtight passive house, meaning barely any energy is needed to heat it. Though they haven't totally eliminated the need for lighting on the staircase up to the first floor anyway.
Oh, it's really bright when you get up here.
Yeah, it's a nice contrast.
I'll say, you're thrown from a dark tunnel into an extraordinary light-filled bedroom which connects to the outside.
This building is a testament to Martin and Vari's endurance, rigour and care. They've gone the extra mile, not only to design a passive house, but to build it. They could have ended up with a soulless, energy-efficient box, but instead they have a beautiful, functional home that's an exemplary model for environmental design.